You know that you can make one.
Money is useless until it is used. $1 billion or 1 billion friends. Which would you take?
Yo, what's going on, guys?
You don't need money, dude. You need people. People have the next money you want. You should put money in the marketing. You should promote yourself, not put money where you and the kids live.
What's going on, guys? Lux Crypto here, back at it with another video, another moon gem video for you guys. And today we're going to be discussing Uavi. This is an awesome project based around drones, guys, and they have some exciting things as well as a live drone race that they are launching in just a few days, guys. So you definitely want to check them out. Now, in this video, I will go over all the details of the project and their token. Now, these guys are building the first crypto drone ecosystem, which is a really awesome concept, guys. Now, as the core concept of the Uavi ecosystem, they are building a community sharing and service-oriented marketplace and platform, guys. So pretty great stuff, very innovative. Now, the Uavi platform provides DeFi solutions in the world of drones through the use of Uavi token and issuing Uavi NFTs, guys. So they will have NFTs. They do have a marketplace as well as the token that is the backbone of the project, all right? Now, it says they're developing blockchain-based data storage that provides a decentralized, transparent, unalterable data security system for the drone market through smart contracts, which is pretty cool, guys. I've never seen anything like this. And as you know, drones are becoming more and more popular for multiple reasons. And the team's philosophy is that blockchain is more than technology, so they're trying to develop business on the blockchain. All right, guys. Now, you can check out more details about them on their website. We will go over some more stuff here in this video, but if you would like to check them out, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, but I will leave all the links in the description below. Now, here are a couple of key points on why you should check out this project and some of the features that they offer, okay? So, future-driven development. Business on blockchain. They are the first crypto drone ecosystem, as we said, and they have a community platform, all right? Now, economic fundamentals. So they're decentralized, transparent, and managed, as we said. Now, they have supply, demand, innovation, and value creation with their NFTs and the Uavi token, all right? And finally, sustainable solutions. So they are eco-friendly, which is great for the economy. Now, legal certainty and smart contracts, as well as decentralized data storage, which will be very useful. And now we'll go over some of the tokens basic information, all right? So the name is Uavi Drone, and they are listed on the Binance Smart Chain, okay? Now, their total supply is 5 billion tokens, and the symbol is Uavi. And there you can see the token contract address, which you can check out just by going to their website in the link in the description below, all right? Now, as far as token allocation, they put 25% of the tokens towards rewards for their holders, and they plan to burn 20%. Now, the token sale, which is live right now, is getting 18% of the supply. The workers for the project get 12% split between them. Development gets 10%, marketing 5%, and their foundation will receive 10%. All right, guys. So there's some basic info on their token and the token allocation, how they are distributing all of the tokens, guys. Now, as I said, they are having a UAVI token ICO phase IV, and you can go ahead to their website right now, scroll down, and you will be able to fill out a form so that you guys can get tokens early. All right. Now, as you can see, one UAVI token is worth 0.0424 BUSD. All right, so very cheap to get a bunch of tokens, guys, if you would like to get into this project early and check them out. And the last thing, guys, is that they are having the UAVI drone listing event on the 23rd at 5 p.m. CET. All right, now, they're going to be giving a project introduction. They will announce some of their partnerships, RDS breakout, and they will do live drone racing as well as a listing party, guys. So you definitely want to check that out because this will be really, really awesome for the release of their introduction and that drone race, guys. That will be pretty awesome to watch. So make sure you check them out and get into UAVI drone right now while it's still early because you definitely don't want to miss it. If you find this video useful in any way, please drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you these awesome moon gem videos. And with that being said, guys, Lux Crypto out.